Chamaraj beat Charles.
It's the time again, child, when all false promises and good roads are made. Aya, you didn't see all the election tamasha that's happening in our country, eh? Instead of talking about what's the future of our country, people are arguing about Gudyas and Budyas. It's really a sad state of affairs, child. People are selling off their votes for some cash and the truth to one pack in a bobakari and 1 quarter. Selling one's vote is like selling your future, man. It's like asking the devil to hold up your wife's hand while you're answering nature's call. Oh my God. But because of all the election fiasco, even the IPL moved out to South Africa. Why means? Security reasons, I believe. How can you put the Indian Premier League to move to South Africa, child? They might as well call it South African Premier League outsourced from India.
Chamaraj beat Charles.
Brenda, did hear that? Asad is standing for election with slips.